So our next topic is pathogenesis of cell injury. Cell damage can be reversible or irreversible. Reversible means repairable and irreversible means not repairable. It leads to cell death. So it depends on extent of injury. Then it refers to how much damage the external stimuli has created on cell. Then cellular response, which may be adaptive. If it is adaptive, then it leads to homeostasis, means equilibrium is maintained and cell gets back to its normal position. So it is called as reversible cell damage, as homeostasis and equilibrium is maintained. So what are the examples which leads to reversible cell damage? For example, low doses of toxins, then small duration of ischemia, that is lower oxygen concentration, which leads to reversible cell injury. Then our next type of cell damage is irreversible cell injury, also called as cell death. It occurs when severity of injury exceeds cell ability to repair itself. For example, large toxin doses. Then another one, long ischemic intervals results in irreversible cell injury. Then we know that the meaning of ischemia is the condition or damage occurs when concentration of oxygen is very much low for the long duration of time. Then cell death occur by cell swelling, first one, where your inflammatory mediators and your immune system is involved. And then cell rupture, as the accumulation of the external stimuli, for example, increase in the concentration of ions, then it leads to intake of the fluid, okay, to make it balanced. So it leads to further cell rupture. Then denaturation means inactivation of protein. Then coagulation of cytoplasmic protein means the protein is converted into solid state form, which make it unable to perform its function. Then another type is breakdown of cell organelles, also known as necrosis. Okay, here only it involves only breakdown of cell organelle. Further, its malfunctioning leads to cell death. Okay, then another one is chromatin condensation. Chromatin condensation involves the formation of solid state condensed material of cell division. Then and another one is fragmentation. It is also called as apoptosis. This chromatin condensation causes loss of cell division capability. Then consequence of injurious stimulus depends on type, status, adaptability, genetic makeup of injured cell. So injurious stimulus effect is going to depend on type of cell, then status of cell, what are adaptability capacity of cell, and genetic makeup of injured cell, that how much it accepts to avoid protein condensation and chromatin condensation like condition. Then some injury has vastly different outcome of different cell type. For example, striated muscle in a leg accommodate complete ischemia for 2 to 3 hours without irreversible injury. So striated muscle can accommodate complete ischemia. It means that no concentration of oxygen for 2 to 3 hours without irreversible injury. And then they have given another type of muscle, cardiac muscle, which are going to die in absence of oxygen after 20 to 30 minutes, because here need of oxygen is important. Function of muscle is important, as striated muscle are not involved in the process of respiration, but cardiac muscles are involved in the process of respiration. Then nutritional or hormonal status is important. For example, a glycogen replete hepatocyte tolerate ischemia better than the one that has burned its last glucose molecule. So it means that if you have the two type of tissue, first one having the glycogen molecules and the second one having only one glucose molecule, and condition is the same, which is ischemia, lower or no oxygen concentration is supplied to those tissue. So which one is going to get die? So first one, which is second one, which is the which involves only one glucose molecule in it. Why? Because glycogen is going to get going to through the process of glycogenesis, which involves release of oxygen, which is going to used by cell. Then most important targets of injurious stimuli are, important targets involves first one mitochondria, which is the site of ATP generation. As ATP is going to not generate, your cell having the no energy to perform its function. Then cell membrane, which involves ionic and osmotic homeostasis of cell and its organelle. So as cell membrane is going to get damaged, so it involves a condition like cell inflammation, cell swelling or cell rupture. Then protein synthesis involve denaturation. It means that protein becomes